Welcome to CouponBet, the travel agency organizer. And in this video, I have a very specific question for you. Imagine you have a customer and your customer asks you to call them back. And this is the following number. It starts with the following prefix, 0908. So my question for you is, do you know which network that prefix is? Yes or no? If you don't, no worries. Most of the people will probably look on Google right away. However, in CouponBet, we have a tool where you can find the information in a matter of seconds. So let me show you exactly how to do that, and let's find out what prefix network that is. So first of all, once you're logged in on CouponBet, you're on your dashboard, and then you just click here on Tools. And in the Tools section, we have an option here. It's called the Prefix Checker, the Provider Prefix Checker, where you can see all the prefix from each telecom provider. In this case, our prefix that we need is 0908. 0908. And there you are. So once you type it in, you can see it instantly pops up, and it says here, this is a smart provider. That's the network. So with this tool, you can almost instantly find anything you need and to help your customer better and serve them better. CouponBet is really designed to help your travel agency to be organized and structured. And with CouponBet, your travel agency will have a better level of service because you can serve your customers faster with all the information you need. So if you like CouponBet and you'd like to have a tool like this as well, just go to couponbet.com and register for an account right away.